Who put the cheese in the sock?
Sir, that's your luggage.
It smells like betrayal. Oh, man. Look at those shoe choices.
Anything else I should know about, buddy?
That this coffee tastes like broom water.
It's espresso, not broom water.
Espresso? I demand a new cup! No, 2 cups! Who put my paperwork in the shredder?
It was the copier jam. I swear it wasn't on purpose.
Copier? I wanted it intact! Scan my feathers.
Sir, that's a parrot.
I am, sir. Ha! Alloy feathers, deluxe plumage, private property.
We just need you to step through the scanner, sir.
Not the feathers. Stop.
All right, you're good. Move along.
Thank you, officer. Polite man. Where's my suitcase? I packed crackers.
It's mine, bird brain.
Not if I pack it first. I knew I should have flown cargo. You moved too fast.
I can't laugh. I'll slow down, maybe.
Dummy diplomacy. Fail. What?
It's questioning existence now. Harder than my teacher.
Real ticket talk. Eat my back banana.
Not me, I'm on a diet. Now I'm nearly finished.
Stand back! Nautical expertise incoming!
Oh, don't you? Whoa!
I am a nautical expert!
Hurt my foot. Give me that rope. There, proper. Okay.
That is mine!
Too fruity, too dry. I demand a retasting.
Sir, it's grape juice.
Don't question my refined palate. Oh, wow. I'm gonna fall over. Wake up! Your snoring is stealing the vibe. You're banned from nap dining.
Oh, man.
Tone it down.
This is noise terror.
I surrender to this bird's talent.
Woo! I'm the feathered lead thinger.
My sandwich! That's mine! Dispatch! We've got a bird theft in progress!
Court adjourned. I cannot stop laughing.
Lunch at Victory.
Go crack in the HR.
Witnesses report avian chaos in motion.
I award gold to the parrot.
Order fight! Order fight!
This is war!
Harold, no splashing!
Confirmed. Parrot attacked co-worker's hydration.
All hail the aquatic parrot! Ah, court adjourned! Splash! Well, that took my favorite perch. Now it's personal!
Guess you should have picked a sturdier perch, Feathers.
I like his style.
Whoa!
Great, now we're all drenched thanks to your giggle fit.
Refreshing, isn't it?
He told me to sleep in the litter box. That's rude.
Order in the court.
I can't breathe. The privileged judge, who does that?
Mercy.
Even worse, you are rather plush.
Clue.
Undignified, flamboyant avian royalty.
Boys.
Oh, mercy. A stuffed pillow with wings.
The officer says I need a wing driving license. Mm-hmm. Ha! I fly with feelings.
That's right. Dismissed. He had cookie crumbs in my cage. Total frame job.
Point your talent somewhere else, feather boy. My kitty don't dirty his paws with cookies.
Mrs. Marino,
You
please.
heard me, Judge. The cat's clean.
Great.
Hey, I can't. My
This court
glasses.
is cooked.
I called this emergency meeting. The cat scratched my ego.
Your ego's too big anyway, Feathers.
Oh, goodness.
This is not humorous, Your Honor.
It is a little.
For diplomatic purposes.
But mercy me. That bird stole my rifle.
Suspects are disgusting.
I've walked through worse.
Golden Field trial's never this dirty.
It's flour.
It's just wind, silly.
I yield to flower and bird and granny.
See? Told you it talks.
I'll take all the chocolate and perfume.
Isn't that too much?
Too much? Nonsense. I'm a flight influencer. Ha! I swear this is not my feather boa.
Maybe check the tag.
Tag? I have talons, not thumbs.
Who even owns a feather boa anymore?
More laughter, occasional chuckles and snickers. One espresso?
No, make it a tall feather latte.
Top. Feather latte?
Yes, with extra seeds on top.
Coming right up.
Perfect, where's Shewan? Never!
Territory. Step back.
Did that parrot just talk?
Why is everyone using this metal pokey thing?
That's a fork, sweetie.
I prefer feathery tactics. This outfit is on fiery!
I told you you can't handle spice.
I have a fire-breathing pirate of flavor!
Hold still, Captain. Let me cool you off.
Oh, you're ridiculous.
The chair is too high!
Sit still.
I am the Sky King of this restaurant!
Drama king.
Looking good, friend!
Did it just say that? Whoa, relax!
It's victory, Crowbar!